The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is set to make waves in the tech world with its anticipated release in September. While it may not boast revolutionary hardware changes compared to its predecessor, the Ultra 2, this new iteration is poised to offer significant enhancements that cater to the ever-evolving needs of smartwatch enthusiasts. The focus of the Ultra 3 is on refinement, building on the solid foundation laid by the Ultra 2 to deliver a more polished and feature-rich experience. In this comprehensive analysis, we'll delve into the key aspects of the Apple Watch Ultra 3, including its design updates, groundbreaking health features, and overall user experience. This isn't just another smartwatch. It's a device that could potentially redefine the way we monitor our health and integrate technology into our daily lives. One of the most noticeable updates to the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is the introduction of a new black titanium finish. This sleek and sophisticated color option adds a new layer of elegance to the Ultra series, making it an attractive choice for those who value both style and functionality. The black titanium finish not only enhances the watch's aesthetic appeal, but also complements its robust features, giving it an athletic yet luxurious vibe. High blood pressure is often referred to as a silent killer because it typically has no symptoms but can lead to severe health issues such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. The Apple Watch Ultra 3's blood pressure monitoring feature is a game changer, providing users with the ability to track their blood pressure directly from their wrist. One of the key areas of improvement in the Ultra 3 is the display. Apple has made the screen brighter and more responsive, making it easier to use in various lighting conditions. Whether you're outside in bright sunlight or indoors in low light, the Ultra 3's display will adjust accordingly, ensuring that you can always see your data clearly. Battery life is a critical factor for any smartwatch, and the Ultra 3 delivers in this area as well. Apple has managed to extend the battery life of the Ultra 3 without compromising on performance. This means you can go longer between charges, making the Ultra 3 a more reliable companion for those who are always on the go. Performance-wise, the Ultra 3 is powered by Apple's latest chipset, ensuring that it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 may not be a radical departure from its predecessor, but it doesn't need to be. By focusing on refinement and adding groundbreaking health features, Apple has created a device that is both practical and cutting edge. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or someone who values style and functionality, the Ultra 3 is a must-have. As we approach the September release date, the excitement around the Ultra 3 is only going to grow. Stay tuned for more updates and information as the release date approaches.